Hi, my name is Mrs. Hodges, and I am the ELA and Social Studies instructional coach here at Exley Elementary, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a Google slide to honor a special veteran in your life. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to the e-news where you've got the link to make a copy of the Google slide. Click on the link, and you'll get a page that looks like this. Would you like to make a copy? Yes, you want to make a copy. So click there. It'll take a minute and make a copy of the slideshow. So the first thing you can do is click on Name of Veteran. Click in that text box. Replace that text with the name of your veteran. So I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to type Mr. Exley. Okay, and then I'm going to go down to the U.S. branch of military. He served in the U.S. Marines. Because Mr. Exley is my example, I don't have information for relationship to student name, grade, or teacher, but for your veteran, you will have that information. So you can just click and type for each one of those things. So I'm going to take this actually off, and I'm going to put married to Mrs. Joella Exley, our campus namesake. So Mr. Exley was married to Mrs. Joella Exley, our campus namesake. And he served in the U.S. Marines. We have that information. So the last thing I need to do is add a photo. So I already have a photo saved on my desktop that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. And I'm finding my photo right here on my desktop. And I'm going to click Open. And notice that the photo doesn't go exactly where I want it. So I can resize it just by dragging one of the corners, and I can move it. I can use this little tool to spin it around and get it just how I would like it to be. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so I think I'm finished. So the last step is to click on the Share button. The Share button is in the top right-hand corner of the screen. And I'm going to start typing in the email address for me, Laura Hodges. It's Laura L. Hodges at kdisd.org. And then hit Done. Your slide will then be shared with me. I will compile all of the slides into a video that can be shared with all of our Exley students and families. Thank you so much.